some vlog footage. I'm not sure if you guys are going to see anything before this or if this will be like the first thing in my next vlog, but I am currently checking emails right now. I've been getting a lot of like email requests from like different coffee brands. I don't know if it's just, because it's the fourth quarter for influencers and people are really looking to push their products. But that's pretty much who has been reaching out to me as far as like influencer stuff. So I'm just kind of replying to people. Being that I am like a micro influencer, a lot of brands do try to, come at you for like exchange for a free product. And I feel like if it's a product that I really do like and I really do want to try, then I'll go ahead and accept free product, especially because I'm in the beginning stage. So that's what a lot of companies are starting to do. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I just replied to this coffee brand, and then today I also need to do something for my podcast. If you guys are not following my podcast, go ahead and follow the 9 to 5 Chic Podcast. I have a new episode that'll be going up shortly. But that's pretty much what I am doing today. As far as influencer stuff, I feel like I really have just been going harder. I've started to pitch to brands like way more, especially like on Instagram. I created a new media kit. And I'm just pretty much, just trying to get this influencer thing going. I updated my media kit. I don't know if you guys want me to do like an updated video on maybe like how to do a media kit or like how to reach out to brands. But to me, it's pretty simple. There are websites that you can go on and they'll have like the brand's like email address and different stuff like that, like who to contact. Or you can go like on LinkedIn if you're looking to work with a specific brand. Brands are very responsive whenever you do send like a DM on Instagram and stuff like that. At first, I thought it really wasn't a professional way, but it's definitely doable if you would like to get like a brand deal or something like that. So I feel like my media kit is pretty good. This is the second one that I've created, and I use Canva, y'all. Canva is really easy if you needed to make a YouTube intro, outro, if you need to make a banner, if you need to do like Instagram story templates, if you need to do a media kit. I feel like Canva has everything, y'all, and it is free. You can upgrade if you want to, but you don't have to upgrade on Canva. And that's what I really like. I pretty much just make what I need to make, save it as a PDF, send it off to these brands, girl. But yeah, pretty much all I have on it is like my Instagram name, YouTube name, email. I have a few pictures, where I'm smiling and kind of in the zone. And then I kind of have an about me section, all the services that I offer, and then just some of my metrics that I have. I guess I can go ahead and show you guys. So this is pretty much what I have been working on. I really do love this picture. I just feel like it kind of captures that like lifestyle beauty feel. So that's pretty much the picture that I have as my cover sheet. I have my name. It says media kit, beauty, lifestyle, and inspiration. I kind of just added that inspiration piece as my YouTube channel, kind of began to build, and I kind of saw that a lot of my content is like inspiration. So I decided to go ahead and add that instead of dance, because I don't really post that much dance videos anymore. So that's why I kind of replaced that. So now it's beauty, lifestyle, inspiration, my email address if they want to reach out to me, my Instagram, my YouTube name, and then I just have like 3 pictures. Boom, boom, boom. And then kind of my about me section. And then like my metrics and analytics. If you have a YouTube channel, then you already know that YouTube kind of already gives you your metrics and analytics. So it's easy to just go ahead and pull that. As far as Instagram, I didn't get too in depth with that, even though you can now see your Instagram analytics, but I just went ahead and put my followers and then also, kind of the services that I offer: public speaking, sponsored posts, product reviews, contests and giveaways, event hosts, and brand ambassadorships. I really do like public speaking, so I'm hoping to get some type of speaking engagement. I don't know how soon, that'll be, because I still am a pretty new, micro influencer. Yeah, so as far as my YouTube channel, so I have definitely been editing my YouTube channel a lot. I kind of went back and I pretty much started to edit like a lot of my what do you call that? Like my default pictures on all of my videos, my covers. So I can go ahead and show y'all that. Pretty much, as far as my YouTube channel, I do feel like I've been doing a better job at uploading more consistently. I think for me, I do want to go ahead and maybe make another banner. I kind of told you guys in the video, you know, that my channel name did kind of change and everything like that. But I definitely think I want to add like more pictures and maybe use a different picture. I went back and I deleted a lot of old videos. I definitely recommend, if you think there are videos on your channel that, you know, that you consider like really good, keep those on your channel. Like my videos that I feel like people are going to watch and that people are actually watching, I kept those videos. But a lot of those videos that I had that were like super bad quality and kind of no point in posting, I went ahead and deleted those. I just went ahead and I changed the cover art. I did see a lot of YouTubers start using this style as far as, you know, getting 3 images in one shot. And I really do love it that way. So I've been trying that out just because I like that better than like a single picture. And it kind of also lets people kind of know everything that's going on. For example, you see here that, you know, I was in the city, I was hanging outside, I had some drinks. Like you can capture all of this in one single snapshot. So this is just a little like behind the scenes of me recording a video. I actually just did a video like sitting right here. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and record another video. I'm trying to knock out 2 videos, okay, in one day. I'm doing a fall favorites and essentials video, and then I'm doing another video just talking about why I decided to move home back in with my parents at age 27. So I think you guys will really enjoy the next 2 videos on my channel. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I just finished doing. I just kind of cleaned up my little area here, and I think my next video I'm gonna go ahead and do it in my room. So let me go ahead and put this chair back. I'm trying to drink my water, okay? So here's the water. Got some new bedding from Ross, actually. I got this comforter, and I got those 2 pillows right there. Well, here and here. I got those from Ross as well. Those other little pillows and those pillowcase covers that came with the comforter. But everything came from Ross right here, actually. And then up here, I just have this little cute Chanel painting or a canvas, whatever you want to call it, but I got that from Walmart.com. Those are really cheap, y'all, and you can buy them in like different sizes. So yeah, don't sleep on Walmart.com, okay, period. But yeah, so that's what I'm pretty much about to do. Close my closet door, okay? So y'all, it's definitely been an adjustment being back at my parents' house. It's been an adjustment, but I think it's been a pretty good adjustment. I will say that. You know, at first I thought that I was going to feel more like, oh my God, like I'm not in Texas anymore. Like, I just feel like mentally, like I just feel so good. Like, but yeah, so that's how I'm about to do. Good morning. So we are about to go out to eat. It is actually my mom's birthday today. She does not want to be on camera this morning on her birthday, but there's her arm right there. So yeah, so we're about to go out to eat. It's a pretty gloomy day today in Lafayette, but oh, she got a call, y'all, so I gotta go. stuff. So I'm currently in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and I'm at Top Golf right now with one of my favorite people. But yeah, we're just having so much fun. I just wanted to come on here and officially like close out the vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and also subscribe.